Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2023. This year's for you and me, and our 360 business is going to go boom to the sky. All right. Now, we're going to be watching this video together. I'm going to point out a few things, and I want to know your guys' thoughts because this is just me sharing my point of view. This is my opinion. Now, in this video, we have 4 individuals on my platform, okay? Check out the video. Slow, fast, slow right there. We get another speed ramp right there, and then it slows down. Fast, slow right there. Now, I love this because everyone on my booth is getting their moment to shine. Look at that, guys. And then it hits you with a fast reversal, but then it starts from a different point and then it speeds up. So it's basically spontaneous and fun. And I'm recording this for about 10 seconds so that everyone on my platform gets their moment. So have you guys been in a situation when there's 4 to 5 people on your platform and only 2 people get that slow-mo part? Well, this is one cool thing about Snappic. I'm able to customize that to a point where I can tell, you know what, I want this particular template to record for a whole 10 seconds so that it goes around multiple times and captures everyone on the platform, including the slow-mo parts as well. So right here, it goes boomerang, her glasses go back on. That looks pretty dope. You got the money in the air. And guys, this is why I am using Snappic, because the export quality and the amount of effects you guys can put in. Now, I haven't perfected it just yet, but if I do, I'll save that template and share it with you. By the way, the link to Snappic is going to be in the description box below. That particular link is an affiliate link, guys, which means it's going to give you guys 10% off on your monthly subscription. I hope this helps. This is just my point of view as far as why I'm continuously rocking and spinning with Snappic. All right, guys, I wish you guys the very best. Let's keep on keeping on, baby.